Hi everyone. Today we are going to look how to change the background color for Creo 7. First, we have to open the PROE model or otherwise just a blank screen. Go to File and go to Options. Now here having option for System Appearance. In that we have to select for Graphics. In that we are having background here. In that background it's having multiple colors in the pull down menu. So what color we need, so we have to select and we can make it that one. I'm going to select light green, so and then I'm going to give OK. Yes, my color has been changed, the background of PROE Creo 7. So this is the method we have to doing that background color. I think it's good for everyone. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Thank you. Bye bye.